Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Poco X4 Pro 5G. Okay, for that we will need here the settings. Otherwise, if you don't have it here immediately on the screen, you can also scroll down right next to the camera here, and we have the control center, and here we have also the symbol for the settings. So just tap it. And here we will need now the About Phone area. So tap on About Phone. And now we will need the MIUI version number. And you have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown. It is a bit slow, but then we should be a developer for the phone. Yes, we are. Okay, now go back one step so that you are back in the general settings. And now we will need to scroll down to the point Additional Settings. Tap now on the point Additional Settings, and if we scroll on here, we will have at the last point here the developer options. So now you can do the stuff you wanted to do to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, or so much more, as you can see. And if you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here on the top, just like that. That's done gray, huh? And then if you go back, they're still there, but if I go back in the general settings, enter again the additional settings, they are no more there. Yeah, but you can have them always back by just tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number, as I've shown you before. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your questions how to enable the developer options. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and you've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.